Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix FaceTime activation and error occurred during activation. Try again. So for example, if you try to activate your FaceTime and after that you turn on the toggle and you see this kind of error on your FaceTime activation. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to simply close this page. And after closing this page, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second. And after that, you have to simply turn it off again. And you have to also restart your Wi-Fi router. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to setting, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here you have to simply click on that, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and here you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on apps again, and this time what you have to do, you have to try to activate the FaceTime again. And here you have to simply make sure that this toggle is turned on, and after that you see that this FaceTime has been activated after as you turn on the toggle. So you have to wait for some time so that your FaceTime activation has been occurred. So if now it is working properly, then well and good. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply restart your iPhone, and after that you have to simply open it again. And after that what you have to do, you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply connect to the Apple Store, and after that you have to ask for the solution. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to wait for the next update of your iOS. So because many error has been fixed by the latest version of iOS. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.